today let's discuss about the very important topic, that is the plant cells. The types of the plant cells are of two types. The first one is the prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell are also prokaryotic cells are present in the prokaryotes, and the prokaryotes are known as eukaryobiota, that is without nucleus. Or means without, karyo means nucleus, so they are without the true nucleus. They are the ones whose cell wall is made up of murine or peptidoglycan. Each of the points today you are listening from me is an important objective question on its every line, so listen carefully. Cell wall is made up of murine or peptidoglycan. Likewise, it occurs in the bacteria, mycoplasma, pleuropneumonia-like organisms, which are also known as the joker of plant kingdom. They are without cell wall, and in case of cyanobacteria, it is cyanobacteria or blue-green algae are also inside the prokaryotic cells, as it lacks the nucleus, nuclear membrane, nucleoli, microtubules. Likewise, centriole is also absent in prokaryotic cells. Likewise, DNA is without the histone protein. It has 70S type of ribosome, and the ribosome is meant for the main function of ribosome is for the protein synthesis, and the presence of plasmid is common. The plasmid is the extra chromosomal DNA. It is the extra chromosomal DNA. Which of the following is the extra chromosomal DNA? That is, the answer is plasmid. Where it is found? It is found in the prokaryotes. It lacks the membrane bounded organelles. Likewise, the cyclosis movement of cytoplasm. Cyclosis movement of cytoplasm is also absent in the prokaryotic cells. Likewise, mesosomes are the site of respiration in case of prokaryotic cells. And in the prokaryotic cell, the photosynthetic pigment is present in lamellae. This is also an important point. Now, these are the things that are inside the prokaryotic cell. The mesosomes are the enfoldings that are used for the protein respiration. In case of prokaryotic cells, it has 70S type of ribosome. DNA is present, which is inside the cytoplasm, freely lying without the histone protein. It consists of the cell wall made up of murine, which is also known as the peptidoglycan. And it has a last flagellum in it, plasma membrane. And with its points, let me tell you about the eukaryotic cells, which are like differences with the prokaryotic cells. And eukaryotic cells you can learn on your own about its differences. Now let's move towards the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells, the cell wall in the eukaryotic cells is made up of cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose in case of eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotes have the proper true nucleus, so they are also known as the karyobionta, while the prokaryotes were called as the eukaryobionta. These occurs in the plants and animals. There is the presence of nucleus, nuclear membrane, nucleoli, microtubules. The DNA is with the histone protein. Likewise, the cell wall is made up of cellulose. I have already mentioned it. In case of prokaryotes, it was made up of murine or peptidoglycan. Multicellular forms are common. It has linear double-stranded DNA with the histone protein. It has 80S type of ribosome, and the presence of plasmid is rare in case of eukaryotic cell, which is common in case of prokaryotic cell. There is the presence of membrane-bounded organelles like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. Likewise, there is the presence of cyclosis, that is the movement of cytoplasm, and in case of eukaryotic cell, the mitochondria is the site of respiration. In case of mesosome in case of prokaryotic cell, mesosome was the site of respiration. So this was for today. Thanks for watching. You will see the continued part in the next video of ours.